Hey guys, now something really common in machine vision is the lack of testing machine vision solutions. But here's the deal. In the world of machine vision, every application is its own unique puzzle. There's not really a one-size-fits-all approach. For instance, not too long ago, we had to inspect resin beads, precisely measure, assure the uniform placement, and make sure of its placement at a specific distance from the piece's edge. Now, the beads were dark gray in color against a shiny metallic background. Now, the difficult part was that we had to do two inspections at two different heights simultaneously. Now, for the first inspection, we had a working distance of just 15 centimeters away from the bead looking straight down, aimed to measure the width of the bead. For this, we used an Insight 2800 monochrome with a 12mm lens and used the integrated light. We also took advantage of the shiny background and used it as a backlight. And for the second inspection, we were about 30 centimeters away from the bead with a 30-degree angle aimed to measure the bead's height. So we used an Insight 2801 monochrome, higher resolution 16mm lens, and external lighting. See, even though both aimed to measure the resin beads in different ways, both had different variables affecting its outcome. While the characteristics we were looking for were visible in the same environment on the same piece, the setup that worked on the first inspection wouldn't have worked at all for the second. If we had recommended the first setup for both inspections, well, it would have been a complete disaster and ended up with a production line that wouldn't work at all. Now, we learned all this through testing. That's why we always recommend to first reach out to machine vision experts for recommendations and doing tests. And more importantly, never buy an application without receiving a formal report. No matter how similar every application may seem, every solution has unique challenges. Alright guys, hope this was real helpful, and thanks for watching.